Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Zeenal Natkar Shah, a pediatrician and a lactation consultant from Mumbai, and today I would like to address about the topic of I'm getting phone calls left, right and center. It's about the COVID-19 vaccination and lactating mothers. Being a lactation consultant, we were earlier also getting this question during the first wave and when the vaccine got introduced that can a lactating mother take the COVID-19 vaccine? At that point of time, we did not have enough data to support the fact that a lactating mother can take a vaccine. So we were telling patients that you take a call depending on how important it is for you to take the vaccine. So if you are a healthcare worker or you're working in a setup where the risk of exposure is very high, we were saying you take the vaccine. But now the good news is that we do have recommendations from the government of India, and the FOXI has recommended that yes, every lactating mother can take the COVID-19 vaccine and it is very safe. Okay, so now there are a lot of mothers who have already taken it and they are absolutely continuing to breastfeeding also. The next question that I have been asked is that is it safe for the babies? So obviously it is safe for the babies. In fact, if you are going to take a vaccine, you're going to protect your baby against COVID because you're going to start making antibodies. Because after you take a vaccine, your body will produce IgG, which will actually transmit through your breast milk into your baby. So it is a good thing that you are actually taking a vaccination. It is going to protect your baby. Now, is it mandatory to take the vaccine? Honestly, it is not mandatory. It's a personal choice because there has been a lot of discussion about, which vaccine, how to take and why should I take, should I not take, should I wait it out. Some people have also called up and told me I do not want to be a scapegoat and why should I take the vaccine. So I feel it is not mandatory, but yes, if you are getting a choice and if you have the possibility of taking a vaccine, please go ahead and take a vaccine because this has a pandemic going on and it's a situation where every person should be vaccinated. So please take the vaccine if possible. And also this question has been asked to me that doctor, which one should I take? I'm getting Covishield or I'm getting Covaxin. So take whichever vaccine comes your way. Okay, some people are telling me, doctor, should I wait for Pfizer or doctor, should I take Sputnik? Now, I feel take the vaccine which is coming your way. All vaccines are equally effective, and please don't be, rigid about the choices which you want. That I only want to take this vaccine or I want to take that vaccine. I'm sure people who have been trying are struggling at getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning and trying to book a slot to get a vaccine right now because there is a shortage. So please take whichever vaccine comes your way, whether it is Covishield, whether it is Covaxin. Sputnik is expected to be coming by 10th of June, and even Pfizer, they are saying that 99% will be very soon available in near future. So definitely that will increase the scope of having a choice, but at this point of time, please don't try and choose. Just take whichever vaccine you are getting, and both the vaccines are safe for breastfeeding mothers, and both the vaccines which are available in India currently are very safe for mothers and they're very safe for your babies and they're effective. So please go ahead and take it. Now, also I have been asked this question that doctor, do I need to take permission from my gynac or my pediatrician? Now, if you are a lactating mother, you don't need to take permissions from anybody. You don't need a letter also from anybody that okay, she is lactating mother and she needs. You just have to go there. You have to tell at the center that I have a small baby and I'm breastfeeding and I need to take the vaccine. So they are definitely, some centers are giving walk-ins to lactating mothers also. So please avail of this benefit and go ahead and take this vaccine. Now, also I have been asked this question that doctor, what are the side effects to my baby? Now let me tell you, the baby is not going to have any side effects or any fever after the vaccination. So you may react, like your body may react after taking the vaccine. You may get little fever, but your baby is not going to react. Okay, so the baby will not get any fever. Also, that when can I breastfeed? So you can immediately breastfeed the baby as soon as you have taken a vaccination. So there is no contraindication to breastfeeding your baby after a vaccination or before a vaccination. So before or after the vaccination, you can continue your breastfeeding the way it is, and it is not going to harm your baby at all. So please go ahead, please follow the government what it is saying. Go to any lactating center and take the vaccine as soon as it is available. Now let me tell you, India has currently vaccinated 146 million people, and we are only US and China is ahead of us currently. So we are at a great thing. So whatever vaccine you are getting, please take it, whether you are lactating. Now also, I've been asked this question that I have just delivered my baby. I have a small baby, maybe 6 weeks old or 8 weeks old. Can I still take the vaccine? Yes. Whether you have a small baby or you have a big baby which you are breastfeeding, if you are eligible, if you are above 18 right now, please go ahead and take the vaccine. Now also, people are asking me that can children take this vaccine? So honestly, till now there is no guidelines of children. There is research going on. Pfizer vaccine is recommended in teenagers, but that is not available in India yet, so that we will do in some other video. So my sincere request to all the lovely moms over there, please go ahead and take the vaccine as soon as you can and don't worry about it too much. Thank you.